Let me tell you why your website sucks. Having a website in 2023 is more important than ever. The internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, and the website serves as a digital storefront for businesses of all sizes. It allows you to reach a wider audience, showcase your products and services, and establish your brand online. My name is Daniel and I'm the creative director here at Netfolie. For a free consultation, check the link in the description. A website can also be a powerful tool for generating leads and driving sales. In today's digital age, not having a website can make it difficult for customers to find your business and can limit your potential for growth. A well-designed and optimized website can give your business a competitive edge and help you to stay relevant in today's market. Building a website can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the process. However, with little planning and the right approach, you can avoid some common mistakes that can plague a website build. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 mistakes that businesses make when building a website, including not having a clear goal, poor website design, slow loading speeds, lack of mobile optimization, and no call to action. By understanding these mistakes, you can ensure that your website is built to meet the needs of your target audience and achieve your business goals. First of all, not having a clear goal or strategy. Before building a website, it's important to have a clear goal for the website and a strategy for how to achieve it. Without this, it can be difficult to create a website that effectively meets the needs of your target audience. The next one is poor website design. A poorly designed website can turn off visitors and make it difficult for them to find the information they need. This can be due to a variety of design issues such as clutter layout, low quality images, and hard to read text. The next mistake is slow loading speeds. A website that takes too long to load can be frustrating for visitors and may cause them to leave the site before it even loads. Optimizing images using a content delivery network and minimizing the use of heavy scripts can help to improve loading speeds. Lack of mobile optimization is another mistake. With more and more people accessing the internet from mobile devices, it's essential to ensure that your website is optimized for mobile. This includes having a responsive design that adjusts to the size of the screen and making sure all of the site's features are easily accessible on the mobile device. No call to action or poor lead generation. A website should have a clear call to action, such as signing up for a newsletter, for example, or making a purchase. If the website lacks a clear call to action or poor lead generation, it will be difficult to convert visitors into customers. That's what you want, right? Hiring professionals in web design is important because they have the skills and expertise necessary to create a website that not only looks great but also functions effectively. They understand the latest design trends and best practices and can use this knowledge to create a website that is both visually appealing and easy to navigate. We can also ensure that the website is optimized for search engines, which is essential for driving traffic to the site. Additionally, professionals in web design can make sure that the website is mobile friendly, which is crucial in today's digital landscape where a significant percentage of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. Moreover, we have the knowledge and skills to ensure that your website is technically sound and secure, which is essential for protecting sensitive data and maintaining the integrity of your online presence. Hiring professionals such as Netfolie, for example, can save your time, money, and give you the peace of mind that your website is in the right hands. So these are just a few mistakes that people make with their websites. If you want to learn more about web design, development, social media, and so on, just drop a comment below what you would be interested in, and maybe we'll make another video about it. So that's it, guys. These are very important mistakes you should take into consideration when building a website or hiring professionals for that matter. However, we will see you on the next one. Ciao!